I ended up with air bubbles in it. Not happy at all. So back at it again, we're gonna talk about this vinyl decal that we got for the window on the Camaro. It's my YouTube channel, as you can see, the Rally Rails. Don't forget to subscribe below and hit the notification bell. So I ordered this decal, I wanna say about a week ago. I ordered it about a week ago. Went through a company that I searched online, seen a lot of people talking about. It seemed very reputable. I said, you know what, let me give it a shot. They had a variety of different styles, different fonts, different colors. You could pick your color, whatever you wanted. Me, I chose white because I felt like it would pop, as you can see, on a black car. I think it looks real good. When I got it, I took it out of the box, looked at it, looked over it. Everything, in my opinion, was excellent quality. There was nothing really negative that I could say about it. This is my first decal that I've done. This is the first one that I've ordered and actually put on the car. It looks good. There's nothing negative that I could say about it. It's great quality. I ordered it from a place called Vinyl Decal. I'll put their link below in the description so you can check them out. I'm actually going to order some more this week. I want to put the small ones on my window, and this little side window right here. Maybe my Instagram. Follow me on Instagram at the Rally Rails. Same thing across the board on social media. So if you want to check that out, might do Twitter. I'm not sure yet. Y'all let me know if y'all think I should get a Twitter going on. I know it's kind of hard to maintain multiple social media accounts and stuff like that. So we're gonna do it. Like I said, this was my first time actually doing a vinyl decal on my car. So I could have got somebody else to do it, but I was like, you know what? I'll give it a shot. You know, if it doesn't work out, then, you know, it wasn't that expensive. I'll just order another one. Now, I ended up with air bubbles in it. Not happy at all. But that was all on me. That had nothing to do with the product, had nothing to do with the company or anything like that. Watching a couple of install videos, I said, you know, maybe I should spray the solution underneath so, you know, it won't, you know, stick too quick. I don't think I sprayed enough of the solution in there. It was hot outside, so I think it started to dry a little quicker than I was working. So if you can see, I'm not sure how good you can see it, but especially like right there on the R. So you can't really see it from far away, but, you know, just spots like that. And like I said, that was all on me. It had nothing to do with the product from the company. I guess next time I might get somebody to help me out. If I do, I might get a bigger one for the front. So if I do, I'll get somebody to help me out with that one. But I'm sure you probably would get somebody to help you out with it, and you wouldn't have any issues at all. But that's just being me, you know, I got to go ahead and get it on. I can't wait to get nobody to help me. I want it ASAP. I think, like I said, I think it looks good. I don't think I'll replace that one because, like I said, from a distance you can't see it. When someone pulls up behind me in a car, they can't see it. So major shout out to Vinyl Decal. Like I said, their link is below in the description. Go check them out. I mean, they have some amazing fonts on there. It took me a while to decide which font I wanted. So I was going back and forth for probably like 3 days before I decided on which font that I did want. So I finally got the font that I want, and I think it looked good, as you can see again. The Rally Rails. Make sure you go subscribe on YouTube. Hit the notification bell so you'll know when I post new videos. Everything that I do to the Camaro, I'm gonna do a review on. If you go check out my previous videos, you'll see the install that I did for these wheels right here, out here in Memphis. I'll let you know where I got it done at. You know, the whole process, you see everything behind the scenes. You know, sometimes you drop your car off at places, you have no idea, you know, what's going on in the background, but I got all of the footage. So if you want to see the good, the bad, the ugly, the almost ugly, I got it all in the video. So go check the rest of my videos out. And like I said, if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe, hit the notification bell so that you'll know when I post new videos, because I'm going to be frequent. My goal is at least 3 videos a week, no less than 2. I'm going to keep y'all informed on everything I do. Anytime I order something here, we don't just talk cars, we talk cars, You know, we talk mods and we talk life as well. You know, so I'm always here to give a good word of inspiration and so forth and so on. But definitely go check out Vinyl Sickness. You can play around on the website and see if you find a font that you truly like. You know, like I said, I went a couple of days until I realized, you know, which one I wanted. So definitely go check them guys out. Go check out my previous video so you can see the install and the brake caliper paint. Some amazing videos out there, some amazing info. And also, if you know of any other mods that you think I should do to the Camaro, hit me up, let me know in the comments. We can make some things happen. All right, well, this was a great buy, well invested. And I'm gonna do these little windows right here. I'm gonna put the small Instagram name on those windows, so you know people know, be able to see. And you never know, you get random like people that see your stuff like that, and you know you just gain new followers. You know what I mean? And like I gain random subscribers on YouTube just from having that. You know what I mean? From having that on the back of the Camaro. So hey, you never know who might be looking. People are always at traffic lights looking at their phone and stuff like that. They'll come out and say, hey, you know, maybe I should follow this guy, see what he got going on. So this is gonna be, like I said, this is about, you know, the Camaro. This is about life. This is about mods, everything. So if you have any ideas or you want to see me do something to the Camaro that you think would be dope, let me know and I'll take your idea and I'll make it happen on the Camaro. Appreciate you stopping by. I will see you later. It's your main man, Really Rails, always 100. I'm gonna holler at you.